How to fix iPhone not charging. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can fix iPhone not charging. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So let's start. So first step you'll need to take is start by inspecting your charging port. So you can start checking for debris, and after that you can look for any lint, dirt, or any other obstructions that could prevent any proper connection. You can also clean your charging port. You can use a soft Q-tip or a non-metallic tool to clean your charging port and after you clean it you can try to use a charger again to see if it works or not. So after you've gently cleared out any debris, also do not use any excessive force. Then after that you'll finally need to check your charging accessory, that is your charger. So inspect your cable and adapter. You can also try to use any other you know accessories, any other cables and adapters. You can use any different power outlet, any other power outlets to check if the problem is fixed. If not, you can finally try to restart your iPhone. So you can for that press and quickly release the volume up button, press and quickly release the volume down button, and uh, press and hold the side the Apple logo appears, then release the side button and it should restart and your problem should get fixed. If not, just seek professional help. You can contact Apple support for it. And yeah, that's basically it for today. Thanks for watching and bye bye.